Hello and welcome to my Salsa home. As you guys probably know, I'm giving also private classes. So last weekend or the weekend before, I had a couple from Netherlands, Roan and Louise. Hello. They wanted me to teach them 8 hours, so they were spending one weekend here in Kassel, at my town. And in the end of 8 hours, we wanted to produce a little dance video as a souvenir. So what was the goal? So the goal was to learn in, as I said, 8 hours, the 360, the body posture, how to use your arms, how to use your hands, how to lead, how to calm, how to relax, learning new things about the 360, because I think most of the people are struggling with the 360. Yes, and total dancing more aesthetic, and of course also in total showing the beauty in the dance. And 8 hours is not easy. Do you know why? Because it's harder to reset all your muscle memories, and all the things you have learned before, than learning new things, So yes, and it was an adventure for me. It was a great time. And yes, so you will see now a video before the training, and tomorrow or this weekend you will see the final result. So this video contains 3 episodes. So this is the first one. So tomorrow you will see the training, which contains 1 hour content, and then you will see the last video, which will be the result. So guys, have fun seeing them dancing taboo. Please do not judge them. Do not judge them. They haven't danced just 1 year, and 1 year is not a lot. Okay? 1 year, of course, they were dancing also during Corona, but as you know, it's a social dancing, and especially the practice, which will help you to become a better dancer. So have fun, enjoy, and don't judge.
So we are only having this space, right?
Yes, you're just allowed. Everything is fire.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Floor fire.
So guys, we are live here on YouTube now. Nice. No, it's not live. But yeah, guys, as you know, I'm giving also private classes, and Roan and Louisa are coming from Holland. From which company?
Groningen.
Groningen. Yeah, and yes, we will do a video before and after. We have 8 hours, and then yeah, we get booked from television, no?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
What can I do to take us back to the very beginning? When only your eyes could see mine. Remember that? No, I don't wanna leave it behind us, 'cause my love, I can't do this without you. break the taboo.
Te busco en cada amanecer, en el último rayo de luz. Desarma mi cuerpo otra vez, intento un nuevo tabú.
By every night, every day, staring you down from the moon. You tell me that you're on the way. Oh, break the taboo.
We have to say this is not a lot of space, you know, so it's quite tough. The music is fast as well, and we have to say it was your first dance after a few months.
Yes. No, in a couple of weeks.
But I love the energy. I love the energy, and let's see how we will train, you know, and yeah, what we can be better.
Yeah.
And stay tuned if you want to see the training session and also the final result. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you. Dance to feel it.